Hello everybody, it's me, Serenity. And this is my dog Chloe. I just got her a few weeks ago. And I know I haven't done a lot of stuff, and I trust me a couple weeks ago when I got the dog. See, you can see new places. That's the pool, and I live in an apartment. And I haven't went to the pool yet. Well, actually, I've been to the pool a million times. That's the pool. There's another pool all over there, but I can't show you. I've been to that pool over there, and it's way warmer. So everything's different. There's a slide right there. So that's my dog. Isn't she a cutie? Come on, baby. Come on, Chloe. So, yeah, everybody's at the pool. See over there. And my dog is just, wanting to go in there because she's been, going swimming and blah, blah, blah. So everything's different. Yeah, I really miss my old house. See, we live in apartments. And so... yeah, come on, baby. She's the cool place to go. Come on. Come on, baby. So, yeah, so this is just the wall. This wall is really rough. When I was running down the hills, I bumped into them and my face touched it. Come on, little girl. Yeah, they started coming down her favorite tree. Look, she's just chilling right there. Come on. Come on, little girl. Come on. Yeah, see different trees. Last year, I moved to, and that's when I started my vlog. Come on. A couple of years ago, I started my vlog. And stuff. And that's my new bike. Not those ones. Not these. There's an upstairs, people. But that one right here. I'll show you. I want it from my school. It's really fun to ride, and this is really hard to keep going and growing. And yeah. I've been waiting and waiting. Going into my hips. My other dog. And my mom. And my dog that wants to go out again, but she's never going out again. Say, maybe a little fate says. Maybe a little fate says. Come on.
Bible book ends with Paul arriving in Rome.
Okay, so give me back my camera. Okay, here.
Yes, Acts of the Apostles.
Thank you. My dad's sleeping. I was just trying to sleep, at least. I'm getting the heels. That's my sister over there. Hello. Yeah. Look at outside. It's so fun. I already have a million friends. That is outside. This little porch is really dirty. Don't sniff it. Yeah, that's a dead baby. So, yeah, and these are my heels I just got a few weeks ago, and they're really cute. And this is my tennis board. This right here, when my dog was running, I tried to go on it, and I slipped off, seriously.
This
like
Shaw
I
play
like
is
this is my hand.
prefaced by a
I
section called
slid
A
off,
Portrait of
like
Phonetics.
I was like
Yes.
zoom. So yeah. So yeah.
2000. She played the replicant Rachel in Blade Runner.
Shut up!
Who is Sean Young?
Yes.
Oh, they keep stopping. People keep stopping up there.
One of his
Like,
ex-wives wrote
up
the expose,
there.
Life in Mormon
So like,
Bondage.
it's really funny to me though. Like, it's really funny to me.
He won the
Well,
baseball
bye.
games
That is
that
my
any
new
other
house.
Dan
Puppy.
Messiah, correct?
Chilling. So
Seen here. This lovely
bye.
actress played the title role of
Bye.
the holiday classic The Bishop's Wife.
Bye. Bye, everybody.